Today we are here in Quezon City, near to Robinson's Magnolia, to show you this 6-unit townhouse project. Let's begin our tour. For the flooring, we have granito tiles. And by the way, for this unit, we have a courtyard dun sa inyong basement with your swimming pool. We also have your elevator with an access dun sa lahat ng ating floor. Upon entering from your main entrance, we have these 2 stairs going up and going down. Baba muna tayo sa baba. In this area, we have this room. And by the way, we have your elevators. And upon entering, so if you have your guests or pwede nyo gamitin to as your living or receiving or the family area. We also have your CCTV and your cove ceiling design. We also have this glass wall or your sliding door with an access dito sa inyong courtyard with your swimming pool.